Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news, we have Devil of the Mirror, a short puzzle horror game about a lonely and sick girl who performs a spell upon a mirror, wishing for friends and a better life. A pack of pixel art icons of popular desktop and mobile applications. In plugin releases for today, we have an MZ plugin by NZ Prism that makes choice window frameless. Next, 4 MZ plugins are by Toria Kontan, a plugin that gives us more options to control the map name display. A plugin that turns on a specific self switch for an event when player is nearby. Another plugin that forces player character to always face towards the mouse pointer. And a plugin that allows a comment to be read as a node tag inside an event. And lastly, we have a project template of 101 horror sample maps for MV and MZ, made with edits of MZ's RTP. That is all for today. Go back to game making now.